Welcome to eStudio. The subject which I am going to talk about on financial accounting, and the topic is branch accounts. Nowadays, the business are divided into so many divisions. The divisions are situated in different places of the same town or in different towns, and the divisions is known as branches. The business has a large number of branches, and the records of each branch can be maintained separately. The head office maintains the records of branch as well as the business as whole. And the next one, objects of branch accounts. With the help of branch accounts, the profit or loss of each branch can be found out. We have to control the branches with the help of branch accounts. The actual financial position of the business can be found out on the basis of both head office records and the branch records. The branch requirements of goods and the cash can be estimated with the help of branch accounts. Suggestions for increasing the efficiency of branch can be sent on the basis of their accounts. They help in complying with the requirements of law. Branch may be classified as three types. First one, dependent branch. Second one, independent branch. Third one, foreign branch. Let us see about dependent branch. Dependent branch which does not maintain its own set of books, all the records have to be maintained by the head office. The branch business policies and its administration are controlled by the head office. Features of dependent branch. Branch sells those goods supplied by the head office. Sometimes the branch may be allowed to make purchases from the local porters, and the payments for such purchases are made by the head office itself. Goods supplied to the branch by the head office at cost price or at invoice price. Various branch expenses such as rent, salary, telephone expenses are paid by the head office. Head office provided with a small amount to its branch manager for meeting petty expenses. Branch is allowed to make cash sales only. If the head office may be allowed to make credit sales, means they have to make a credit sales. The branch sends the sale proceeds periodically to the head office. If credit sales is allowed daily, credit proceeds are also sent to the head office. If the head office allows credit sales, the branch maintains debtors ledger and also the stock ledger. With the help of debtors ledger, we have to find out the money due from debtors. Stock ledger gives information about the movement of goods from head office and the balance of stock in hand. The head office may keep the accounts of branch in the following systems. First one, data system. Second one, stock and data system. Third one, wholesale branch system. Fourth one, final account system. We will see about data system. Data system is also known as synthetic method. This system is adopted in small size branches only. Under the system, a branch is opened separately for each branch in head office books. This type of account is nominal nature. Next, we will see branch account format. Opening balance of assets like stock, debtors, petty cash and furniture, and then goods received from head office, branch expenses and closing balance of liabilities are debited to the branch account. On the other hand, the opening balance of liabilities such as creditors, outstanding expenses, and then goods returned to head office, cash sales, cash collected from debtors and closing balance of assets are credited to the branch account. Finally, the branch reveals profit or loss. If the account shows credit balance, means it is a branch profit, and it shows debit balance, means it is a branch loss. Next method, stock and data system. This method is also known as analytical method. This is another method to find out profit or loss of branch. If the head office wants to more control over the branch, the stock and data system is most preferable method. The head office keeps separate accounts for various types of transactions. The following accounts are kept in the head office books: branch stock account, branch debtors account, branch expenses account, branch adjustment account, branch profit and loss account, goods sent to branch account. Branch adjustment account is prepared only when the goods are sent to the branch at invoice price. First, we will see branch stock account. This account deals with all goods received, returned and sold by the branch. It is debited with opening stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by debtors and surplus in stock. It is credited with cash sales, credit sales, goods spoiled, goods returned to head office, and closing stock. It gives information about surplus or shortage of goods and the closing stock of the branch. And the next account, branch debtors account. This account is prepared to record all the transactions relating to branch debtors. It is debited with opening debtors and credit sales. It is credited with cash received from debtors, goods returned by debtors, expenses of debtors, and closing debtors. We have to ascertain either closing debtors or credit sales with the help of this branch debtors account. Branch expenses account. This account discloses the branch expenses as well as debtors expenses. These expenses are recorded in debit side of the account and the balance is transferred to branch profit and loss account. The next account, branch adjustment account. When the goods are supplied to the branch at invoice price, this account must be prepared to ascertain gross profit or gross loss made by the branch. This account is debited with reserve on closing stock, goods returned by branch, and shortage of stock. It is credited with reserves on opening stock, goods sent to branch, and surplus in stock. The balance indicates gross profit or gross loss, which is transferred to branch profit and loss account. And the next account, branch profit and loss account. With the help of branch profit and loss account, we have to ascertain net profit made by the branch. It is debited with the balances of branch expenses account and shortage in stock. It is credited with gross profit as shown in branch adjustment account and surplus in stock. The balance in this account indicates net profit or net loss of the branch. Next, goods sent to branch account. This account is prepared to find out the net value of goods sent to branch. In this account, goods sent to branch and goods returned by the branch are recorded. Balance is transferred to purchase account. The above 6 accounts are opened in the stock and data system. The third method is wholesale branch system. This method is used when the goods are sent to the branch at wholesale price. The goods are generally sold to consumers with the help of wholesalers. Wholesalers sell goods to the consumers at retail price. The retail price is more than the wholesaling price. Retailing is more profitable business. For example, cost price of the product is 100 and wholesale price is 115 and the retail price of the same product is 125 rupees. So, profit made by the branch is, the branch has made a profit of rupees 10 and the head office made a profit of rupees 25 because the branch has to sell the product for 125 rupees and the head office send the goods to its branch for 115 rupees. So the branch has earned a profit of 10 rupees. The office wants to know retail profit of the branch. It charges the branch with the wholesale price. We have to prepare the branch account as same in the data system, but in this method, the closing stock of the branch has to be valued at wholesale price. It would be necessary to create a stock reserve equal to the difference its wholesale price and its cost price. And the fourth method is final account system. Head office ascertain the profit or loss of branch by preparing branch trading and profit and loss account at cost price. And the next type of branch is independent branch. A branch which maintains its own set of books and has freedom to operate independently. The branch acts as an independent unit. The branch itself can prepare its own trial balance, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, and their copy is sent to the head office for their incorporation in the head office books. The branch maintains a head office account in its books. On any date, the balance of any particular branch account in the head office books should tally with the balance in the head office account in the books of that branch. The head office account in the branch book shows credit balance, whereas the branch account in the head office book shows debit balance. Sometimes the two balances may be differ. This difference is due to non-adjustment of amount of remittance or value of goods dispatched by the branch. At the end of the financial year, if there is a difference between the two balances, it is necessary to reconcile them and pass necessary entries for adjusting the same. Thank you.